Galactic regulations require all passengers be screened by security prior to boarding. Droids and domesticated creatures must be cleared by customs.
You've already checked that? Well, perhaps you could play it back for me. Well, everything looks wonderful.
Droids on Transport 1401. Get back to work.
Now see what you've done. We'll lose our jobs for sure.
All passengers, please prepare for immediate boarding.
Star Tours 1401, you are cleared for departure.
1401? That's us. We can't take off. The captain isn't on board.
Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
Excuse me, you don't seem to understand. I am not the captain. I am C-3PO.
1401, cleared for takeoff. Contact departure on frequency 429er.
Wait! R2-D2, I am not programmed to fly these things. Now just turn us around this instant before we get into trouble. I knew it!
Oh,
Don't shoot!
prepare to be boarded, Captain.
I'm afraid there's been a terrible mistake. I am
We know
C-3PO.
you have this rebel spy on you.
I've never seen that human before.
Don't underestimate my power. I want that spy.
Djarin saw too. Someone could get hurt. Light speed, Artem. Now what? What this? I always wanted to do this. Hang on, everyone! You ruffian! We'll show him. We've snagged a pod racer, which gives us twice the power. We won! Now cut the pod and let's get out of here. Watch out! What transmission? A Mandalorian.
Star Tours, a battle is brewing and we can no longer stand in the shadows. We need your help.
Normally I would gladly be of service,
Head
but
to the coordinates I am transmitting to you. This mission is dangerous. Be strong and courageous. This is the way. Spit that out.
I don't like the look of this. Yes, I do believe these are valuable. Again are the legendary space whales. Quite extraordinary. And so serene.
Star Tours. 2 against 1 here. Go do some help.
Will it ever end?
Nicely done, Star Tours. Appreciate the help.
R2-D2, don't you dare!
Safe travels. Good to see you again, R2.
two of you. I do hope you have enjoyed your flight and... Thank the Maker. That's my ship. On behalf of Starwars, thank you for joining us.
Star Tours 1401, you are cleared for departure. Initiate takeoff sequence.
What?
Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
R2-D2, what's going on here? We are not ready for takeoff. The captain isn't on board yet. You know I can't fly this thing. No, neither can you. We need a proper pilot.
Attention, all transport hold for security clearance.
Those stormtroopers will be deactivated for sure.
Hold it right there, Captain.
I'm not actually the captain.
We're looking for this rebel spy. Have you seen them?
No one on this transport could possibly be a spy. Here.
This Starspeeder we're looking for. Blast them.
He's our partner. Where are we going? This is madness. Don't you dare make the jump to right. Where are we now? The Wookiee planet. Imperial troopers, what are they doing here? I'm afraid you're not really allowed to be there. Artu, hit the brakes! It worked! Not this way, Artu! I'm sorry! Hurry along! The transmission. Now what?
Star Tours. I've been looking for you.
Ahsoka Tano, greetings.
3PO. R2. You're traveling with a friend of mine that has vital information for the rebellion.
The spy. I knew it.
Head to the rendezvous point I am sending you. Good luck, Star Tours. And may the Force be with you.
Just a moment, Artu. Let us consider this. Artu, I don't like the look of this. Yes, I do believe these are verbal. Heard even of you legendary space whales. Quite extraordinary. And so serene. Oh, no!
Star Tours. 2 against 1 here. Could use some help.
Those winning never end!
Nicely done, Star Tours. Appreciate the help.
R2-D2, don't you dare!
Safe travels. Good to see you again, R2.
SD-1401, welcome back.
We will be landing shortly. I do hope you have enjoyed your flight and... Watch out! Thank the Maker. That's my ship. On behalf of Starwars, thank you for joining us. No more...
1401, you are cleared for departure. Initiate takeoff sequence.
What?
Auto takeoff sequence initiated.
R2-D2, what's going on here? We are not ready for takeoff. The captain isn't on board yet. You fly this thing. No, neither can you. We need a proper pilot.
Attention. All transports hold for security clearance.
The stormtroopers will be deactivated for sure.
Hold it right there, Captain.
I'm not actually the captain.
We're looking for this rebel spy. Have you seen them?
No one on this transport could possibly be a spy. Oh dear.
This is the speeder we're looking for. Blast him!
Shields are R2! Where are we going? This is madness! R2, don't you dare make the jump to right feet! Where are we now? The Wookiee planet. Imperial troopers, what are they doing here? I'm afraid you're not really allowed to be there. Artu, hit the brakes! It worked! Not this way, Artu! I'm sorry! Hang on! The transmission. Now what?
This is Cassian Andor with an urgent mission from the rebellion. With each day, the Empire grows more and more powerful. We need your help right now to fight back.
Right now? But we...
Head to the coordinates I'm transmitting to you. Together we can win this. I'm counting on you.
Wait! We're just tourists! Artu, I don't like the look of this. Yes, I do believe these are Virgo. Virgo are the legendary space whales. Quite extraordinary. And so serene. Oh no!
Star Tours. 2 against 1 here. Could use some help.
Oh, will it ever end?
Nicely done, Star Tours. Appreciate the help.
R2-D2, don't you dare!
Safe travels. Good to see you again, R2.
We will be landing shortly. I do hope you have enjoyed your flight and on behalf of Starwars, thank you for joining us.
Please remain seated until the captain has opened the exit doors. You may then unlatch your safety restraints by pressing the release button on your left. Make sure you have all your personal belongings as you exit. Thank you for flying Star Tours. Bye-bye.